AI isn't just chatbots. It's silently rewriting the operating system of the global economy, from how doctors diagnose disease to how your packages arrive on time. The core shift is simple. AI allows industries to move from reactive to predictive. Instead of fixing things after they break, we predict failures, demand, and risks before they happen. In healthcare, AI is a second pair of eyes. It analyzes radiology scans to flag tumors earlier than humans might catch them. It speeds up drug discovery from years to months, and it personalizes treatment plans based on genetics, not just averages. In finance, it's about speed and risk. AI detects fraud in milliseconds by spotting weird spending patterns. It automates trading strategies, and it helps banks score credit risk for people with thin files who might otherwise be rejected. In retail, AI knows what you want before you do. It powers hyper-personalized recommendations, dynamic pricing, and smart inventory management. So stores don't stock winter coats in a warm November. In manufacturing, predictive maintenance listens to machine vibrations to fix parts before they fail. In transport, AI optimizes delivery routes to save fuel and powers the driverless tech reshaping logistics. But transformation brings friction. Automation threatens routine jobs, requiring massive reskilling. An algorithmic bias can bake discrimination into hiring, lending, and policing if we aren't careful. The future isn't AI replaces everyone. It's humans using AI replace humans who don't. The winners will be industries that blend AI efficiency with human judgment. Every industry is becoming an AI industry. To stay ahead, you need to know the tools. If this helped, like the video and subscribe to the AI Buzz YouTube channel. It really helps us grow.